salam.
Why is the turtle here?
Huh?
Turtle. Why is
Turtle, good question, good question.
Why is it suffering?
Yeah, good question, yeah.
no? It's like just Master Oogway in Kung Fu Panda.
Good question. When the people need to get together, I'll let you know. Yeah, good question.
And then what? There is another tortoise, but with a dragon head.
Dragon head, yeah. Because the according to the so one book in the old book written in Joseon Dynasty, there is 9 types of dragon.
Yeah.
Dragon. There are 9 types of dragon. So that means what the dragon has is kind of has 9 children. I mean, so great to dragon has kind of deep 9 dragon children. I mean, so that children 9 dragon children has a kind of unique favor. I mean, so unique hobby. I mean, so the first child. He likes to wear the heavy things. That's why so all so when you so see the dragon when you see the dragons in the all kinds of items in the traditional items in Korea. When you see the dragon in those items, that dragon is related to these 9 children dragon. The first children is to bear the heavy stuffs, heavy things. That's why they always when they make the kind of memorial like this, always they make the dragon and it's over on the back of the heavy thing. And the second dragon. His hobby is too, so he likes to overseas at the top of the overseas or something. So when you go to the palace and then other all the Korean buildings, if you see the rooftop, there is always a dragon. He's the second child, right? And then so the third child is that he's kind of he likes to make a sound. So when you go to the temple, you saw the big bell, right? Yeah. And then on the top of the bell, there is a small dragon. Because he likes to make a sound, kind of like that. So and then the first children, a dragon. He so he likes to kind of he's kind of stubborn. He likes the justice. So and then when you go to the court or something, police agents like that, you can see some dragons. That's why. First, And the fifth is the dragon child. Dragon is he likes water. So and then if you go to the palace, if you go to Seoul, you go to the palace and then why don't you look carefully breathe? There is a breeze right beside it. There is a dragon. That dragon likes to water. And then sixth one is he likes he likes to fight. He likes to fight and he likes the blood. So when you see the dragon, you can see the sixth child. He says you can see on the sword. When you see the sun sword, there is a dragon in the sword. And the second, dragon, he likes to hot. He likes hot one and fire. So when you see the kind of what is it the bowl, and then it's put some settlement kind of says makes a fire and then it makes us smoke like that, and that's power. You can see dragon. And the last child is that when you go to this look at carefully the doors as on some houses. There some doors there is you can see the dragon because that the last child likes to he keeps always his own things. That's why he likes to keep something. So that's why on the door there is always a dragon. That's how we can explain how dragon why dragon is made on the items of traditional Korean stuffs.
So I have a question.
Yeah, yes sir. This is made a question. Yeah, yes sir. Yeah.
Are dragons real?
You dragons what?
Are they real? I mean,
Oh no, imaginary animal. Yeah, dragon is imaginary.
But this is turtle, right?
Yeah, this is
real in Game
yeah. So,
This
what
is-
is the originally named dragon, but during Joseon, when during I mean from Korea industry was changed into Joseon dynasty, the dragon is became changed into turtle.
Turtle.
That's why.
Master
What is
Ugwe is a
dragon? Yeah.
dragon actually.
Okay, let's go.
Dragon are real in Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
salam, salam, salam.